Two more cities are being sued over traffic cameras. It's one of our most clicked on stories at WDTN.com. A Cincinnati attorney has filed the lawsuit against Trotwood and West Carrollton.
And several other cities already, including Dayton and the villages of Elmwood and New Miami, are also facing pending cases for those same devices. Birchelle Edmay has new information about what this could ultimately mean for drivers.
Officials say it's a question of safety, but lawyer Michael Allen says cities are simply using the cameras as a source of revenue. He wants an end to what he calls an unfair process to fighting ticket charges.
It's about raising revenue, and municipalities are hurting, and the smaller the municipality, the more they're hurting. I get that, but this is not the way to get yourself out of a budget crunch, is to put these speed cameras up and these red light cameras and expect to make money from them.
Michael Kelly is adding two more cities to his case for taxpayers and drivers. In his filings with Montgomery County, he claims traffic cameras violate the right to reasonably address the charges. He says cities like Trotwood and West Carrollton are robbing citizens of their rights for a profit for millions. From 2009 to 2014, the city of West Carrollton has made more than $500,000. Meanwhile, Trotwood has made about $2 million from 2006 to 2014. This year, they've already collected $35,000. The former police officer says cities, police departments, and the vendor, Redflex, need to be held accountable.
It's real simple. If you're a police department and you want to affect public safety and you want to catch speeders, put a trained police officer out there with a radar unit or a laser unit.
Kelly believes if officials take this route, drivers can face the officers who will have to prove their devices were accurate. Austin Troxell was ticketed for $100 twice at Central and Alex Bell for a rolling stop. He says if an officer gave him that ticket, he'd be more willing to pay it and believe he'd been speeding.
I want the systems to be decommissioned. Pure and simple.
Next week, the Ohio Supreme Court will hear the Walker case, which will determine if speed camera cases should be heard in municipal courts. The law firm says it'll look to this case to see the fate of these traffic cameras. Legislators are considering a bill that would address these issues. Michael Kelly is optimistic about these cases. His previous lawsuits against the villages of Elmwood Place and New Miami ended with the shutdown of all cameras. Birchelle Edmay, 2 News, working